Then now I replaced the woofer. It's worked fine. I'm gonna close this hole and I go install a Bluetooth module on this input 2 here, and it's gonna be inside of this. This is the Bluetooth module. We have power supply and you have the sign now. And I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. There you go, people. This is the Bluetooth module. And I put here, see, sign. See, you can see. I solder there, just small. This is the power source. We have to find the power source, positive and negative, and ground. The black is ground, the red is the power source. It should be maximum 15 volts. Can be 5 volts, can be 9 volts, can be 12 volts. And then this is the sign. It's strange because the black is a positive and the red is a negative. I had to peel it to make sure this is connecting the black oil, and this is left and right, and this is the ground. And I have in my another cell phone here. Let me open it. I'm gonna open some YouTube. I'm gonna play it. I hope it don't have no.
Booking.com has all kinds of stays because some love a rustic cabin. Others feel
it's connected. This guy is connected on this phone. See, volume.
Looking for Booking.com. Booking.com.
And this speaker never had a Bluetooth before. I did it. See?
A quick stop. A familiar face.
Then
It feels heavy enough. With worries about this and the cost
this.
of that,
Now I'm gonna close it.
makes things a little easier.
I'm gonna be ready to go. Just have to close
for
this hole
$1.
as well.
Any size iced coffee for $2. Or any 16-ounce Wawa iced tea.
You just have to close these holes as well and put it together, the things, finish it, and it's gonna be ready to go. There you go, people. This is the Bluetooth that I put it on. Now I had to do this piece because I want to close this hole, and I'm gonna put this piece here, and I'm gonna solder it, and I'm gonna put some more plastic here. I'm gonna show you guys the process. With this plastic, no, I cannot show the process because I had to use the both hands, but this is the result. Plastic and this two and this two, and I'm gonna keep going. And there you go. Now I'm gonna patch it with some material. I'm gonna sand it, and I'm gonna paint it with black painting. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna be. It's gonna be nice. Then I'm gonna put it on this. I'm gonna sand it and paint. There you go. The last step. Not perfect, but it's too much better than was. There we go. Now I'm gonna let it dry and it's gonna be ready to go. That is the final result. See where I had that hole? I have no more. Then it's there, ready to go. Just gonna take some pictures, take a video, put in the marketplace. Maybe I can make some money. It's loudspeaker. Really loud. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.